about 5:30 in the morning. Easter Sunday. I saw the neighbor lady last night setting out Easter baskets for her kids. So I got up this morning, got myself an Easter basket. Got some Twix in there. Kit Kats. Ooh, my favorite Reese's. Yeah. Sorry, kids. Coyotes must have got your Easter basket. Okay, here's today's project. This is some part off of, I guess it's a fertilizer spreader. Don't know what it does. It drives something. I think this bolts to the axle, and this is actually the drive for the whole ground drive thing. But I have no idea what it really does. But it's for my farmer buddy. I think he's my buddy. Anyhow, we got to bore up this sprocket. Remove this sprocket that's welded on the inside, and possibly weld it on. The option to weld it on or not. He can weld it back on, he said. But we can't make this any shorter, so we just gotta basically cut the weld out, I guess. Hopefully we're gonna set it up in the milling machine. We can't swing it. It's too wide to run in our vise or lathe. So we gotta do it in the mill. So we'll set that up. Have to bore that out. Hopefully we can chuck that up in the lathe and bore that out to about that big. This is kind of a high pressure project. We can't mess this up on this guy. He's kind of a wild man. Got the old sprocket machined off. We got the new sprocket machined. I put a little ledge in there to locate it on the pipe. So when we weld it, we don't have to screw around trying to set it up for 2 days. And I got a little bit of a groove in there, maybe you can't see it, but a little bit of a dark line for follow when you weld it on there. We're going to maybe get ballsy and weld it on there tomorrow. Turning out pretty good so far. We still got time to wreck it. Had a little bit into the pipe there, machining a weld out of there, but guy welded it on pretty good last time. Alright, we got that fixed up. We fixed this once before and it broke. Should be warranty, but we're going to charge this guy again because we just don't like this guy. You don't want to pay for it? Well, don't bring shit around here no more. Doesn't matter to us. And then here's our thing for our buddy, Wildman. He needed a new sprocket welded on here. Of course, we welded it on with our welded positioner. And a rod like that. But this goes a little too fast yet. We got to slow it down. I got nothing to slow it down with. We built this a while ago. Motorized this little, whatever you call this thing, welding positioner, I guess. Made it out of some junk stuff one day, just screwing around. Have used it before. Kind of comes in handy, but I had to turn it by hand and hold the welder. It didn't really work, so we put a little motor on it. A little gearbox on there. That's out of a auger feed on a pellet stove. But for as slow as it goes, it still goes too fast for my little welder. We're thinking about getting a little, some sort of maybe dimmer switch or a router speed controller. You can variable speed that. I don't know what the hell kind of deal this is, but I don't know if you can variable speed that or not. Using that little thing where the gears are, slow it down. I don't know. Probably never use it, so it probably doesn't matter anyhow. First time we really use it for a real project. But I didn't get no video welding or nothing because I was worried, thinking about all the different ways I could screw this up that I never thought about turning the camera on. So there it is at the end. So you got the welding positioner right at work.